What if there was an easier way to get SEO traffic to your website than writing thousands and thousands of articles? Hey everyone, I'm Neil Patel, and today I'm going to break down the easiest way to get SEO traffic. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and if you're on YouTube, click the alert notification. As you can see on my screen here, I'm logged into my Google Search Console, and I want to show you something really interesting. If I click the new button so I can filter more, I can go to search appearance, then click on videos. This is going to show me how much traffic I'm getting from things like videos, right? Because I filtered down. If you look here, 318,000 clicks. That's not bad. And if I look at the last 12 months, it's a good amount of traffic that I'm getting from Google, right? It's roughly 100,000 visitors a month that I've been getting over the last 3 months. And then when you look at the last 12 months, the amount of traffic that I'm getting is over 1 million. And it really varies based on the type of content that I'm producing, because some of the video content really hits hard. And I'm also in B2B. So sometimes of the year during like holiday months and stuff like that, it doesn't do as well. Some of the content is from like social posts or posts related to like Instagram followers, as you can see here, or free Instagram followers, so it may not be as relevant to my business. And some of them are much more relevant, like keyword research tool, which is Ubersuggest. So over the years, I figured that, hey, I need to stop producing just content to get quote unquote traffic. I need to get more relevant traffic, because I don't really help people with Instagram marketing from a business standpoint, but my ad agency, NP Digital, does help things like SEO tools or growth hacking. So we started focusing on videos that don't just bring traffic, but bring quote unquote our ideal customer. Nonetheless, as you can see here, I've gotten quite a bit of clicks from Google just from video SEO. And as you can see on the Neil Patel website, I publish my own videos here. So as you scroll throughout my blog, you'll see videos. I embed them on the blog. I publish so much content every day. Right, here's one, how to continually find keyword opportunities, right? As you can see, some of the keywords that are popular related to keyword research or keyword research tools. And I also have Ubersuggest, so that helps with that. How to track and improve your rankings. Again, doesn't have the volume that, let's say, Instagram followers has, but it can bring the ideal customers that can help me generate more sales and more revenue for my ad agency. So like I have content on everything. So how to write a blog post. I have videos on literally all these type of topics out there. Here's one, videos from start to finish. Some of them is pulling from my channel, some from other people's channel. But this has helped tremendously. And if you look at my YouTube page, I'm getting tons and tons of views. I publish my content here. But the key is I don't just publish my content on YouTube. I'm also publishing it on my own website, and it's driving a lot of traffic. I have content on WordPress, daily SEO tasks. I even have reels that I've been testing on YouTube, or shorts as they would call it on YouTube. Instagram's more reels. And I just produce tons of video content each and every single week. And I don't really do much to optimize it, right? I'm using all the code. I'm just making sure, has my site, has all the schema markup, stuff like that. Lets Google know what type of content I'm using. But the point I'm trying to make is just go and create video content and publish it on your blog. It's not that competitive. You can rank for a lot of stuff, because what Google's doing is they're including it in the results. So not only do you have a chance to rank for text, but hey, there's not as many people creating videos, so it's not as competitive. And what I would recommend that you do is do your keyword research. So if you go to app.neilpatel.com and you're just like, all right, I'm in the digital marketing space. So you can go load up the Ubersuggest tool, which you can find at app.neilpatel.com, and you can type in keywords related to anything. So I can type in digital marketing. And once you type in keywords like this, you'll see the search volume. Don't worry about the SEO difficulty or the CPC. Typically, though, the higher the CPC, the more lucrative that term is going to be. And go create content on all these popular terms. You can even create a video on digital marketing agency, digital marketing jobs, digital marketing company. So in essence, what you want to do is you want to view all the keyword ideas, continually find more and more keywords that have good volume and high CPC. So digital marketing agency, way higher CPC than a lot of other keywords here, which is great. Digital marketing company, again, high CPC. Digital marketing services, high CPC. Courses, I can release a video on like a course, give the first lesson for free, and then I can tell them in the video where they can go for the rest of the content. And if you do this, what you'll find is you can end up getting a lot more SEO traffic in the long run by just creating content video based that is super popular. And I would just continually find a lot of keywords. And once you find the keywords that you like, you can just keep track of them. So I would add agency, company, digital marketing company, let's see, services, strategy, courses. I would add those to a list. So in Ubersuggest, you can add it to a list, and I can create a list. Let's go create a new one. So I can create one on YouTube video ideas. I click plus. And now those keywords are going to be added to this keyword list that I can get in the left-hand navigation side. So then I can keep track of all the keywords that I need to go and create a YouTube video on. And if you just leverage this simple strategy over time, you can keep getting more and more traffic. But don't make the mistake I did. As you can see here, I was getting a lot more video traffic from things like Instagram followers. Like if I change the date range to last 28 days versus, last 12 months, you'll see that I'm not getting as much traffic from terms as Instagram followers as I used to be getting. And, as you can see here, keyword research, affiliate marketing, Google Analytics, it's because I'm focusing my video content on keywords that have a high CPC that are related to my business. So that way I'm not just getting views. Even if I get 1/10 the views, but those views are going to convert into customers, that's better than getting 10 times more views, but getting 0 customers from it. So it's not just about going after volume. You want to go after volume with high CPCs that are related to your business. And don't forget the related to your business part, because if you do that, then you'll get the views of the right audience and convert them into customers. So if you like this strategy, you need help with it, we can help you at my ad agency, NP Digital. Got to plug it in there, just like how I showed you that I'm trying to get the right type of traffic. If you have questions on this strategy, you want to do it yourself, that's fine too. Leave a comment below. I'm here to help you out. If you enjoyed the video, like it, share it, tell the people about it. Thank you for watching.